What do scientists do? Not what do they write in books or say on TV. What do they actually do? Most people have no idea. Hello, innovators and parents of innovators. Steve here from Innovation Academy. Fortunately, I happen to be a scientist, a PhD physicist to be exact. Not so much like Einstein, more like MacGyver. I love to build things and learn about the universe around me. And since our young innovators ask so often, I decided to create a brand new set of classes this year for science. Over the next 6 weeks, your innovators will be discovering what physicists and chemists and biologists and ecologists do. We'll watch metals dissolve, that's chemistry, learn how gravity works, physics, and create cell phone microscopes for biology. As usual, everything is hands-on, and your K-5 innovators are invited to come discover the ginormous, that's a scientific term, field of scientific curiosity. Join us Wednesdays, September 12th through October 17th, and let the fun and learning begin. Pretty spectacular.